Hello everyone, we are the interaction team. Within MCAV, our responsibility is designing the simulation and make sure that the algorithm perform up to the standards. So the simulation design mainly involves 4 different steps. The first step would be generating the overall global destination based on the global routing requirement, which is derived from the requirement that's requirement that will validate the transportation and commute of the whole geological area. For example, the rural region and the metropolitan region will have different kind of traffic behavior and the traffic routing, which will be taken account of. Then inside the simulator, the car will use its sensor to collect information, which involves car's location, the traffic light, the weather, and then based on the information, the car will action. The kind of action firstly dependent on the algorithm if the car is controlled by the autonomous algorithm. Furthermore, it's controlled by the test case that is specified inside the different simulation, because we want to cover different sets of behaviors. And then the data is recorded and evaluated, and the performance is analyzed and to make sure that the algorithm will perform well in real life scenario. The macroscopic simulation is conducted by SUMO. As shown in the graph, the connectivity algorithm will control the traffic flow in the intersection, and it will take in the information provided by the simulation, such as current velocity, direction, and engine power, to project the path, which will feed back to the individual cars, which will then control and improve the flow of the traffic. The microscopic simulation is investigated with LGSVL. As you can see in the diagram, the path and map is defined in the Unity. Next, we will have a look at how the simulation is actually run. This is a relatively simple map that contains rich amount of roadside infrastructure information, which is important for the car to interact with current roadside infrastructure. Next, we will dive into high-capacity NPC simulation. So as you can see in the simulator, the NPC is generated and interacting with the car. This will allow us to define the microscopic behavior of the NPC agents, which will allow the autonomous vehicle to have a more robust test environment. Thank you.